up? It's Markia here from Uniquely Designed by Markia O with a touch of unique for you guys here today. I am coming with a DIY inspired by who I consider the GOAT of event designing, Tyra Perez herself. It is just going to be a simple rose centerpiece for you, for any couples out there who are stuck in quarantine, who just need a quick little date getaway, and obviously we can't go sit down anywhere, but what I want you guys to have is that special moment in the house and being able to just enjoy each other's company and get away from the kids, get away from work and everything like that. So with this simple DIY, I just want you guys to feel special, and also with the table setting and everything, I'll go through that as well, but main focus is the centerpiece that I want to do. It's going to be a rose wraparound centerpiece, and like I said, Tyra Perez is what inspired this DIY today, so I'm going to make sure I link her video down below in the description box so you guys get to see that video. And also, if you don't know Tyra Perez, you have to know who she is. She is literally an awesome event designer, so I follow her and many others, so this video is inspired by her. And before we get into the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and wherever that alarm is, make sure you hit it so that you guys can get a notification every time I upload for a new video. So without further ado, let's get into this DIY. guys, I changed my mind again, but I think I really like this arrangement a little bit better. I do have a little more whites than reds, which is okay. So I'm actually at the end of this, and now next clip that you'll see is me adding the roses to the ribbons. So right now I'm at the very top, so I'm just gonna close this up, and then we are gonna go into our ribbon portion. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so here is the finished product. I had so much fun making this. I went through a lot of trials and error just to get through this centerpiece, but honestly at the end of the day it was literally worth it. So if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment on below any suggestions or anything that you feel like can help and be helpful, skill and things like that. But if you guys want to see more of these, just let me know in the comments section, and I will try my best to do as many of these like dinner dates idea setups as much as I can. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, hit that alert button, and I'll see you next time. Stay unique.